parks we stayed at so far, we did the least amount of time at this park. We did next to no filming. I think a big reason for that was not because it wasn't pretty, because there's certainly you know, lots of scenery around us. It's just the mosquitoes were horrible.
Yeah, the mosquitoes were really bad. So site number 18 was the site that we stayed at, and honestly, it was not a great site.
There's no way you could get a conventional trailer in there.
Yeah, I would say site number 18 would be the least site to pick if you were to go. It was a beautiful park. Highly, highly recommend going to this park.
Perfect location for visiting other places too, around Jacksonville, the beaches, state and national parks. So
yeah, just don't go for site 18.
Yeah, and be ready for the bugs.
Yeah, definitely be ready for the bugs. Something that's actually really cool you'll see up in the upcoming clips is Amelia Beach State Park, or is it just Amelia State Park? I think it's just Amelia State Park. But Amelia State Park, if you have a 4-wheel drive vehicle, you can actually drive on the beach, that's not an option. Yeah, it's not an option. You need 4-wheel drive. We saw 2 different vehicles get stuck. So 4-wheel drive for sure, and we almost got stuck at one point. And just in the very beginning, it gets really sandy. So anyways, 4x4, that'd be fun. So this is our full second day starting.
And we're gonna do something we didn't really expect coming up here. When we got off the 295, we saw a sign on our exit that said the Jacksonville Zoo. And there's one thing we love to do is go to zoos in different cities. You know, growing up in San Diego, we had such a great one, but one thing we've learned to appreciate is zoos in smaller cities and around the country.
So today we're gonna head out to the zoo like he said, and then after the zoo we think we're going to go hit up some state parks that are around the area. You know us, we love getting our stamps in our stamp book. So there's 3 parks. There's one that's actually really close to the zoo. It's within like 8 minutes I think, and it's the Yellow Bluff Fort Historic State Park. And so we're gonna go check that one out. Hopefully it's cool. And then the other one is gonna be Pumpkin Hill Creek Preserve State Park, and that one I think is going to be more for equestrians, it said, but that one's 13 miles of trails and stuff. And then the last one on the way home we're going to hit up, and it's going to be Fort George Island Cultural State Park.
Yeah, and
that one has a big plantation on it.
That one we're really excited about.
It looks like that one's going to be really interesting. So when we get there we'll give you guys some more information about that. But let's start day 2.
Let's get to it.
George Island State Park.
The Kingsley Plantation. And if you look behind us, you should be able to see the white building, the actual plantation house and visitor center. And it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And we also found something new and dangerous. The National State Park stamp collection book. So I think we just got ourselves in even more trouble once we get back to the bookstore and purchase that. But
they have a lot of buildings out here that you can go and like tour and everything, which is kind of cool.
And we're just having a good time. Northeast Florida has been a lot of fun the last couple days.